Netgear Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 Pro Gaming Router. Today, we are checking out the Netgear Nighthawk XR1000, a top gaming router for smooth, lag-free play. I will cover setup and key features. Start by opening the box. You'll find the router, a power cable, an Ethernet cord, and a quick guide. Lay everything out on a table so it's easy to grab. Connect the router to your modem. Take the Ethernet cable and plug one side into your modem, then the other into the yellow Internet port on the router. Power it up. Plug in the power adapter and press the power button. Wait a moment until the front light turns solid white, that means it's ready. Join the Wi-Fi or plug in. Use your phone, tablet, or laptop to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi. You'll find the name and password printed on the label. Or just use a LAN cable if you prefer wired. Head to routerlogin.net in your browser. Open Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you use, and go to routerlogin.net. This takes you to the router's main setup screen. Set a custom admin login. Don't leave the default settings. Choose a new username and a strong password to lock down access to your router's controls. Look for updates and install them. If the system finds a firmware update, go ahead and install it. This keeps your router running smoothly and securely. Change your Wi-Fi network name and password. Pick a name you'll recognize, like GamingZone_5G, and create a password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Launch the Duma OS Control Center. This is where all the gaming features live. It gives you tools to manage bandwidth, track performance, and control devices. Use GeoFilter to improve game speed. GeoFilter helps your console or PC only connect to servers close to your area. This can really cut down lag during online games. Give priority to gaming devices using QoS. In the QoS section, tell the router which devices matter most, like your PS5 or gaming PC. These will get more speed and stability. Check the ping heat map for best servers. This tool shows you a map of gaming servers and their response times. It helps you figure out where you'll get the smoothest connection. Run a connection quality test. Use the benchmark tool to scan for things like packet loss or high jitter. It helps spot weak spots in your network setup. Manage traffic with control rules. Want to pause YouTube on other devices while you game? You can block or limit apps and users with simple settings. Turn on WPA3 security and use VPN if needed. WPA3 gives your network better protection, and if you use a VPN for privacy or region access, you can set it up right from the router. Thanks for watching.